It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a hole in the ceiling, with a bunch of chubby winged infants standing around and people and birds looking down at us. We're looking at the famous Oculus Fresco, a ceiling painting created by Italian artist Andrea Mantegna in the mid-15th century for the bedchamber of the ruler of Mantua, Italy, in his palace. The oculus, or circular opening, is of course not real, and neither are the many figures who appear within it. Part of the reason they seem so real is due to the naturalistic angle from which the figures are presented. They seem to recede away from us, a technique known as foreshortening, as though they are truly placed above us, suspended in space, and we are looking up at their bodies and faces from below. In art, we call this effect di sotto in su. So, what is di sotto in su? This is Italian for from below to above, and designates a visual effect first developed in the Renaissance and used primarily for ceiling paintings like this one. Di sotto in su was particularly popular in 17th century Europe, when painted ceilings were all the rage. Mantegna's scene seems to share our space. Figures smile playfully down at us near a barrel full of greenery that balances precariously on a wooden stick. Watch out below!